Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the transmission relay, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located in that video today. We'll explain how you can test the relays as well, and if your transmission does not shift, we'll talk about that as we go. So make sure to stay until the end. Very helpful information will be shared today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So specifically guys, we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger right here. We're going to go ahead, open the hood. Specifically, this is guys a 2018 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is about the same. This is the fuse cover that you have, and fuse relays will be right here. In order to guys remove it, you press here, you squish towards each other, you pull up right there. Now the relay that you need to look for guys, not every car will have that relay. If you guys don't see that relay, don't freak out, okay? Because actually guys, this relay will be mostly for the police version of the Challenger. And if you want to see how to test any relay, okay, I'm going to put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that really easy. But the relay for the transmission will be on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relay number 5 right here. However, most of the times it will be on the police version or Dodge Challenger, and if you're needing that, it will be right there guys. Now you have multiple transmission fuses, okay, up to 3 fuses. So I'll recommend guys to check those if you have problems. If your transmission still does not shift or it's stuck in park, we have a special video. One is called why transmission is stuck in park on Dodge Challenger, and one video why transmission does not shift on Dodge Challenger. Check it out, we'll be posting it on the channel and it will teach you what you need to fix. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.